The best energy source to use for each application depends on the EROI for the energy source specific to that application. We'll look first at space heating. What you see here in this chart are the EROI of various energy sources for space heating. The highest is passive solar. This means passive solar is the most sustainable source with the least environmental impact. The EROI for passive solar is 5.8. The next best fuel is natural gas with an EROI of 4.9. Then comes oil with 4.5, followed by active solar of 1.9. Then there's coal gasification with an EROI of 1.5. Coal gasification means gas that had been converted from coal. The last three are electric resistance heating, one from coal-fired plant with an EROI of 0.4, electric resistance heating from natural gas fired plant with an EROI of 0.4, and lastly, electric resistance heating from nuclear plant with an EROI of 0.3. You see that all three electric resistance heating has an EROI of less than 1. In other words, these are highly inefficient and environmentally harmful ways to heat a space. Space heating is just what it sounds like, the energy used to heat up a space like homes, schools, and offices. We see that the most efficient is passive solar, which outshines active solar by far. A solar panel is an example of active solar. Passive solar is building design that works with the specific environment to maximize comfort and minimize the need for fuel sources other than natural sunlight. There are many examples around the world of passive solar designs, from ancient to modern. This is an American portable. Notice the small windows and thick walls. The small windows block out the hot sun during the day. The thick walls absorb the heat during the day and then release the heat during the night to cut the chill of a desert. This is a part of Arco Sante in Arizona, designed by an Italian-born architect. The dome is situated in such a way so it would take in the sun in the winter and block it in the summer. This dome is an open ceramic workshop, and the doors you see lead to living spaces. The people work and live at the same location, eliminating the need to travel. Unfortunately, nearly all our modern buildings do not incorporate this wisdom and often are designed against the environment, such as homes with big windows in the middle of a desert like in LA. We also intentionally get people to move to the middle of nowhere far from where they work, so they have to drive. Does it sound familiar?